Best motorcycle for beginners: Suzuki DR-Z400. The journey into the world of motorcycling is an exciting adventure, and choosing the right motorcycle is a critical decision for beginners. The Suzuki DR-Z400 has established itself as one of the best motorcycles for novices, blending versatility, approachable performance, and rugged character. In this comprehensive review, we will explore why the Suzuki DR-Z400 is an excellent choice for beginner riders, covering its design, performance, safety features, and overall appeal. Versatile and rugged design. The Suzuki DR-Z400 boasts a versatile and rugged design that caters to a wide range of riding scenarios. Its dual-sport styling makes it equally at home on city streets and off-road trails. The motorcycle's robust and no-nonsense appearance, with its sharp lines and aggressive stance, gives it a tough and adventurous character. The DR-Z400's design is perfect for riders who want a bike that can handle diverse riding experiences. Lightweight and manageable. One of the standout features of the Suzuki DR-Z400 is its lightweight and manageable build. Weighing in at around 320 pounds, this motorcycle is easy to handle, making it an ideal choice for beginners. The low seat height and user-friendly ergonomics ensure that riders can confidently touch the ground, instilling a sense of control and stability. These attributes make the DR-Z400 a great option for those embarking on their motorcycling journey. Responsive single-cylinder engine. The Suzuki DR-Z400 is powered by a responsive 398cc single-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 39 horsepower. This engine provides a versatile range of power for both urban and off-road riding. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it easy to manage for beginners, while still offering enough punch for thrilling adventures. The DR-Z400's engine is designed to help riders build their skills and confidence in a variety of riding conditions. Dual sport capabilities. The DR-Z400's dual sport capabilities make it an ideal choice for riders looking to explore both on-road and off-road adventures. Its versatile design allows it to tackle paved streets, dirt roads, and trails with ease. This versatility ensures that beginner riders can experience a wide range of riding conditions and expand their horizons as motorcyclists. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for novice riders, and the Suzuki DR-Z400 doesn't compromise in this area. It features reliable and efficient disc brakes for strong stopping power, ensuring that riders can confidently control the motorcycle. While ABS is not standard on the DR-Z400, it can be added as an aftermarket option for enhanced braking performance. Comfort and ergonomics. The DR-Z400 offers a comfortable and upright riding position, thanks to its well-padded seat and wide handlebars. The ergonomic design ensures that riders can enjoy long rides without discomfort or fatigue. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails, the DR-Z400's comfort and ergonomics ensure a pleasant riding experience. Suzuki's reliability. Suzuki is known for producing reliable and durable motorcycles, and the DR-Z400 is no exception. Its quality construction and solid engineering ensure that it can endure the demands of both on-road and off-road riding. Suzuki's extensive network of dealerships and service centers ensures that riders have easy access to support, maintenance, and spare parts, providing peace of mind for novice riders. Customization and accessories. The Suzuki DR-Z400 offers a range of aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their preferences. Whether it's adding handguards, luggage racks, or other off-road enhancements, the DR-Z400 can be tailored to create a unique and personalized riding experience. Affordable price point. Affordability is a significant consideration for beginner riders, and the Suzuki DR-Z400 is attractively priced compared to many other dual-sport motorcycles. This makes it an accessible entry point into the world of motorcycling, allowing novices to experience the excitement of versatile riding without breaking the bank. Strong resale value. Suzuki motorcycles, including the DR-Z400, tend to hold their value well. This can be advantageous for riders who may decide to upgrade to a larger or more specialized motorcycle in the future. The DR-Z400 is likely to retain a significant portion of its initial value, which can be a financial advantage. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycles for beginners, the Suzuki DR-Z400 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a harmonious blend of versatility, performance, and reliability. Its versatile and rugged design, lightweight and manageable build, dual-sport capabilities, and robust safety attributes make it an ideal motorcycle for new riders. The DR-Z400 is designed to provide a thrilling and adventure-filled experience, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. Suzuki's reputation for reliability, customization options, and the motorcycle's budget-friendly price point further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the Suzuki DR-Z400 is a fantastic option for beginner riders, offering a versatile, comfortable, and safe introduction to the world of motorcycling, all within an affordable budget. Whether you're a novice rider looking to embark on your riding journey or an experienced rider seeking an all-terrain companion, the DR-Z400 is a motorcycle that's sure to provide a rewarding and adventurous riding experience.